Hey, welcome back to the channel, everybody. In this video, I'm going to talk about whether it's the leads or if it's call reluctance or what exactly it is that makes you feel like you aren't experiencing the level of success that you know you can feel. I adopted a formula. Alright, so again in this video, maybe you've been watching some people light it up. Maybe you've been looking at the leaderboards and see a friend on there or something like that, right? Or maybe you're seeing a bunch of testimonials online, wondering, hey man, if this person quit their job and they're able to successfully do it, I know I can do it, why not? I want to talk a little bit about that and a little bit about call reluctance, getting on the phone and stuff like that. So it's very likely that the problem is not actually the leads, okay? Now this isn't gonna make you $1 million, but this should restore some of your motivation to get back in the grind, right? You have to plug into a system. And in this video, it's another one about knowing your numbers. Look, I heard a saying recently, right? Shoot to miss on purpose so that you can re-aim, right? And then retarget the trajectory of where you're at. If you don't know where you're at, you don't know where you're going, okay? So it could be very easy to get lost in the land of sales when you just wake up some days and only jump online when you feel like it, right? So I want to help you guys maybe create a different system, create a different process. And to be able to do that, we need to get very clear on our numbers. So let's take a look at this really quick. I want to talk a little bit about outbound leads. This is the most common lead type that you see in our industry. It's an outbound lead, right? So normally somebody goes to a website or through a funnel, they fill out their first name, last name, their age, right? Sometimes you get their date of birth and they submit their information to you, and that gets pushed to your CRM 9 times out of 10. That's the most efficient way to be able to do it. Then you're just calling through that queue, right? Now a lead like that in our industry can cost anywhere between, 10, sometimes a little bit more, up to $20, depending on the level of intent. That's what you pay for with a lead. It's just the level of intent. Now let's say that lead costs $15. You want to have at least 75 of these outbound leads to dial, hitting your CRM every single week. That way you'll be busy and you can start building a pipeline. So if your leads cost $15 and you have 75 leads coming through your CRM per week, your weekly cost is going to be at $1,125. Now, if you're closing at 8%, which is kind of industry standard, about 5 to 8% raw data, okay, not accounting for follow-ups, you should make about 6 sales. Now, in this demonstration, I took a sale away because I accounted for GI, right? We're being realistic here. So 20% of your business that comes through is going to be guaranteed issue. And if you're not in insurance yet and you're watching this video thinking, dude, what the heck is GI? It's just those really unhealthy clients who you're not going to get paid in advance for. Just put it like that, right? Some people I talk to, some agents that I help out, they don't even write GI business because they don't get paid on it like they do a regular client. So we'll just say, for number's sakes, you're going to make 5 sales after accounting for that GI, okay? If your average annual premium is $900 and you're on 110% contracts, which you should be, anybody that, if I can get 110% contracts with 0 life insurance experience, you should be on 110% contracts as an independent agent, okay? Now with the 75% advance, right, that's gonna net you $825 per sale. Now closing at 8%, you're gonna make a sale, right, for every 100 dials, and that's gonna net you $825 per sale, okay? Your total earned net commission is gonna be $4,125 if you made 1 sale every single day for the week. After marketing expenses, you're gonna have $3,000 in your bank account every single week. Now after that, you can do other things like put your money into a savings. We got what's called the 70-20-10 rule and things like that we talk about. Hey, look, if you guys need help you know, plugging into a system, creating a system that's, you know, custom tailored to you and what your goals are in final expense telesales, feel free to reach out, shoot a DM or shoot me a text, 737-276-5654. I'd be happy to help you guys out. And let's light it up 2023.
I adopted a formula.